I'm going to reuse the plastics. So let's take one of these, okay, and two of these guys, kitchen towel or kitchen paper. Let's take two of these, and then we are going to wet this one, guys. So this method is from Wini Walbaum. Okay guys, so we are going to put water in here. So we are going to wet it properly. And then if there's still water, we are going to throw away the excess water. Now let's put this like this, guys. So I am doing it like how she did it, okay? And this method, guys, is from Wini Walbaum. And the name of her channel is Wini Walbaum and Company. Okay, so I want to plant this rudbeckia, this beautiful flower of rudbeckia. So rudbeckia has very small seeds, guys. All right, let's take out those excess leaves. So these are the seeds of rudbeckia. Okay, and let's put like this. Let's put it like in a pizza, okay guys? I think this one are small. All right guys, and now let's write the name of this plant, rudbeckia. 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 And another one, guys, this one, Amaranto globoso. Amaranth. This is a beautiful flower as well. Amaranto globoso. Okay, and another one, and another flower, zinnia. So the seeds of zinnia, guys, is like, are these all seeds of zinnia? Just like, it's just like nothing. It's just like nothing of zinnia. OMG. I'm not sure, guys, if these are the seeds of zinnia, just like it is the cover of a seed, because you cannot find any seed inside. So strange of this zinnia. All right, and we are going to put this. Wait, I have to put the name of this flower, zinnia. Zinnia. And I'm going to put this one, guys. Okay, Germinar hybrid. It's only like so little, guys, so little. Oh my goodness. So these are the seeds. It's nothing, and this one is €1 and something. Gerbera. So like this, guys. And now let's cover this one. So these are all flowers. These are all flowers. And let's do like this. We're going to press it. And let's keep it, guys, okay? Hello everyone, so this is the example, guys, of the Wini Walbaum method. Can you see, guys? I have a problem with my gerbera because the first time I tried, it didn't sprout, guys. Even a single one, nothing. And look at this. This one, guys, is white eggplant, and I put this last 14th March, and can you see the white tail that I am telling you, the white tail? Can you see, guys? Wait, ayon mga yan na, guys. So these are ready to be put into the soil kasi may ano na sila, guys, my first root na sila. So I have to take and transplant. I have to transplant this into a soil na, guys, para tumubo sila ng mabuti. And also our black eggplant, this one, guys, I didn't show you guys this one when I did it. I showed you only the flower. Yeah. And this one is the hot pepper, cayenne hot pepper. As you can see, it has also the, you know, it has also the root, as you can tell, guys. Here, this one, look, can you see? These seeds are the eggplant, black long eggplant. These ones are the white eggplant. Can you see, guys? That's what I am telling you.